Hello, beautiful. Well, we're ready to do some veil. I haven't done veil, it's been a long time, so I think it's been maybe a couple years on this YouTube channel, but let's end the membership too. So I do have a membership channel that we do get together once a month. So all the link is below in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. We're going to be doing a veil, and it's going to be something I did yesterday with my Beyond Beginner class. They've never done the veil before, and so I did a little combo with them, and I'd like to share that with you. And so grab your veil, and if you don't have one, that's fine. We'll do it without the veil first, and then with the veil. All right, come inside. Are you ready? We're going to start with just doing the footwork, and then we're going to add the arms. So the footwork pattern will be walking forward 3 times and hold on 4, or do a little tap, a toe touch. So start with your right foot. We're going to walk 1, 2, 3, toe touch. 1, 2, 3, pause, or just toe touch. And then we're going to go back with just a step, toe, step, toe. So you're going to start with your right foot. You're going to step, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe. All right, let's do that again. Put the weight on your left foot, and we walk, 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 hold, walk, 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 hold, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe. All right, so you should finish with the weight on your left foot. The arms, so we're going to bring the arms out to the side, pretend you have your veil. We're going to start with your right foot, walk, walk, walk. When you do your toe touch, kiss the veil. So just touching the back of your hands and just kind of kiss the veil, a little flick there, okay? And then walk, 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 da. Now you're going to hold it up, so you're going to kiss and hold. You can see that right there, okay. So step toe, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Bring the arms down nice and slow, take your time. But as you're doing this, I want you to add a shimmy, okay? So it's got about 8 counts. And then we're going to start with the right foot. You're going to step, but you're going to kind of go diagonally, cross. So don't worry about the arms right now, just focus on your feet. You step, cross it, but then you're going to go and pivot on that right foot and then shift and kind of do a little twist and face diagonally the left wall. 2. That was your right wall. Now left, step, pivot, step, pivot. Let's do that again. So here you go. Cross over, 1. I want you to kind of pivot on that right foot. And as you do this, kind of just bring that foot out. So it's still a little toe tap. And then you're going to do the same thing with your left. You're going to first step. And as you pivot, bring your foot out to the side. Right foot, step, pivot, face diagonally. Step, pivot. Okay? The arms. All I want you to do is as you cross over, you're going to follow that right arm follows that foot. So you're kind of showcasing the arm, the veil, and the arm if you don't have a veil. Look at that beautiful arm. Okay? And then open. You step, showcase the veil, showcase the arm. The weight should be on the left foot. And then pivot. Keep your arms and chest open. Cross over. Pivot. Cross over. Pivot. Let's do a triple step going back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we did 4 sets of triple steps. Right, left, right, left. As you're doing those triple steps, I want you to kind of twist, 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 twist. So the right foot goes back on your triple step. The right foot goes forward, okay? And then twist, twist, twist. Add the triple step, arms here, right arm forward, right foot back into your triple step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, twist, twist. Yay, okay. Let's put that step pivot with the arms and the triple step. We go, right foot, step, pivot, step, pivot, step, pivot, step, pivot. Right foot back, triple step, twist. Start with the right arm going forward. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yay! So it's that right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right. Good. So now you're going to be ready to do a 3-point turn going to your right. Okay? So let's review that 3-point turn. 1, 2, 3. Hold it here. And then 1, 2, 3, and hold it here. Nice line. Let's bring our arms out. 1, 2, 3. Here, I want you to bring your right arm up behind your head. Try a figure 8. 1, 2. So you did a figure 8 on its horizontal, drawing a figure 8. But then you're going to do one more, a loop just to the front, but then kind of just open, twist. So here you're kind of facing your chest. You're going 1, 2, 3, and then open on 4. Ready to do a 3-point turn again to the left. 1, 2, 3. Bring that left arm up. Figure 8, same thing. 1, 2, 3. Open. 3-point turn. 1, 2, 3. Is that right, left? We're just going to do it twice. Okay. And actually, we're going to do a 360 here twice. Okay, let's just review the 3-point turn before I jump in. And 3-point turn to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's do on the spot. It's not 3-point turn. It's mostly on the spot. So you're staying. You're going to come to the middle and just turn on the spot. And you're going to turn twice. So this one's 1 360 and then a second one. You finish like this. So I want you you finish like this, but I want you to start going down. So this, when you're doing this turn, I want you to bring your veil from skirt level to chest level to U to V. So this is your U to V as you're doing your turns. Watch me first. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that was 3 turns, but it's supposed to be just 2 turns. Okay, so but you slowly bring it up. From skirt, chest level, U, and up. Let's do this with music, without the veil, and then grab the veil. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. Triple step. 3-point turn. Going to the right. Figure 8. Open. Turn. Figure 8. Open. Down. Chest. Up. And hold. All right, a bit faster, and then we'll grab our veil. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab your veil. If you don't, just keep working with your arms. All right, if you don't have a veil, that's fine. Like I said, you could do it without the veil, just keep doing the arms. And for those who do have a veil, if you've never done the veil, I do have some more videos I have linked below. But also, just to make sure that when you're grabbing the veil, there's different ways. Like I like to grab it by like scissors, where I cover the index. That's how I grab my veil. I hold it, and then I have extra hold with the thumb. So it'll come with practice what comes comfortable with you. Some just grab it with the index and the thumb. I like it with my middle finger and the index only. Now you want to always make sure that for this exercise that you try to keep the veil away from the body, meaning that you're not kind of having the veil stuck to you. You want to always kind of grab as much air into the veil, like a lot of fish, like if you had a net, you're trying to grab as much fish as you can. So we're trying to grab as much air into the veil. Okay? All right, like I said, there is some really nice veils on Amazon. I have the store linked below. So one of the things I forgot to do is the shimmies. So we're going to be adding our shimmies when we're coming down into their step toe. We're just going to bring arms open up and add our shimmy, and then go into our step pivot. All right, let's do the drills probably 3-4 times. Okay, with music. 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Cross over, right foot. Pivot. Triple step. 1. Turn. Again. One more time. How's the arms? Stretch it out. Breathe into it. Just stretch it out. Open up. When you're doing the veil, you want to stretch those arms, the forearms. If you're able to kind of bring your hands here, go ahead. If not, if it's tight, just flex it to the front like this. Play around your fingers, circle the wrist. Shoulders up and down. Again, just open up the chest. And cross it over. Feels so good. These are all good stretch. Now, because we're doing the veil, a lot of times we kind of also work through the rib cage. So stretching that will help too. That's so good. I haven't done this like almost 2 years. So I'm so happy I brought it back. Now, what else did I want to? Oh, I'm going to try this on the step. So I think my next video will be on the step. This is going to be a good challenge. And then maybe we'll do a choreography. So I'll be doing veil for the next 4 or 5 videos. So I'll see you in the next one, and I love you so much. And keep in touch with me, please.